morning. I hope everyone's had a good Christmas. I have no clue when this is live. This could be New Year, so it would be out of date. But I've got a couple of hours free. I'm not able to get to the Peaks, which is my nearest national park, because it's a good hour away. So I've drove 10 minutes down the road just to prove that you don't need to travel too far to have a good walk. I've done this route before, about 5.5 miles, should take a couple of hours, just in time for more festivities. So yeah, let's see how we get on. I've got a new little drone to try. Hopefully get that up. And yeah, I'll show you this little trail. So far, an awful lot of bridleway walking, and we're just coming into a housing estate. Now, it is about a year since I've last done this walk. I thought it was a lot more remote, but I managed to get the drone up. So hopefully, other than me looking really clueless at it, it's worked. But we're just coming. So, I'll just show you. I have a little drone following me. I don't know how any of these clips will look, but let's just say you can just see them. We'll see, hopefully it improves the vlogs. Let me know down below if they do. But I'm having a whale of a time playing with it, I'll give it that. Stumbled across a little lake. Into a bit of countryside now. If anyone knows the area, I'm just outside of the Yorkshire Wildlife Park. So yeah, nice bit of countryside. Just mentioned about being outside of a wildlife park, you can hear the sea lions. Don't know if they'll do it again. But they're only in that direction. Bridge number 3 right now. I don't know, been a lot of passing of main roads and rail. Rather glad I put boots on right now. Nearly just put hiking shoes on, but I thought it might be a bit boggy. Last time I did this walk, this were a field. It's now going to be a housing development. Starting to sound like my dad when I were a young one. Nearly back to the car, final stretch. It's about, I don't know, a third of a mile. Maybe turn left to the car, so we're nearly there. Oh, that's tempting. Better go outdoors. Best not. Right, back to the car, just up there. How far was that? 5.8 mile, nice local loop. Hopefully I've captured some video, made a nice little video. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, and leave me a comment if you've got a nice local trail that you sort of go to when you can't get out to the national park. But until next time, see you later.